Students, today we start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. So student, in this chapter we will discuss about first define anatomy, physiology and its importance, function of skeleton system, classification of bones and joints and types of joints too, then property of muscles, function of structure of muscles, function and structure of respiratory system, mechanism of respiration, structure of heart, and introduction to circulatory system. Now oxygen depth and second wind and second wind. In this chapter we will discuss all these topics briefly so that we can perform well. So student, before we start with the chapter, first of all, we will know what is anatomy. So anatomy. Anatomy is a scientific study of the structure of organism including their system, organ, tissues. It also includes the appearance and position of various parts, the material which they are composed, their location and their relationship with other parts. Like you know, uh, our body is a composition of cell, tissue, organs to make body. So in anatomy, anatomy is basically a scientific study who tell us about the structure and the position of our internal system, like first of all cell, then cell combine, when cell combine it make tissue, then tissue combine it make organ, then organ combine it make system, and then system combine it make body. There are lot of system in our body like digestive system, respiratory system. So uh, in anatomy we know only the structure of that body part, like uh, where the location of our heart and what are the function of, sorry, what are the structure of heart. So anatomy is basically tell us about the structure of any organism including their system. So second is human anatomy. Human anatomy is the study of structure, shape, size, weight and location of all organs of the body. A detailed knowledge of structure of various system of human body. Human anatomy, uh, anatomy is a scientific study of all the living organism. But in human anatomy, we will discuss about the structure, our shape, size, weight and location of organ of a human body, where the organ location of a particular organ in a human body, like uh, location of heart, location of kidney, location of liver, shape of liver, shape of stomach. So all these things we will discuss in human anatomy. Then what is human physiology? If anatomy tell us about the structure of human body, human anatomy tell us about the structure of human body and their location. Same physiology tell us about the function of human body. It is a scientific study of human body and its system, scientific study of human body and its system considered as physiology. Physiology is the study of system of human body and their mutual relationship. It deals with the function of human body and their effect. Function of human body, which system of our body perform which function. Like for example, heart is a organ, heart is a pumping organ. The function of heart is to supply blood to the different part of our body. So who tell us the function of heart? It is physiology. Physiology tell us the function of our internal system and their effects. If hearts not function properly, then what could happen? If they function properly, then what could happen? Okay, so physiology is a study of all the system of human body and their mutual relationship. Physiology says that, sorry, physiologists say that physiology is a fundamental science. Physiology is a fundamental science of understanding life. What is physiology according to physiologists? It is a fundamental science of understanding what? Understanding life. Then how the system of our body work, how to go about treating disease and coping with stress our body are exposed to in different environment. So physiology is also help us to treating disease and coping with stress our body and exposed to different environment. So the next is important of anatomy and physiology in physical education. Why anatomy and physiology is important in physical education? Why we need anatomy and why we need physiology in physical education? First, the knowledge of anatomy and physiology is essential to know physical education and sports from scientific point of view. We we need anatomy and physiology in physical education from scientific point of view. The performance of athlete can be improved by the understanding effect of exercise and various part of the athlete. If we know the anatomy and physiology of an athlete, we prepare a schedule and improve the performance of a particular athlete. Okay, so why anatomy and physiology important? Because if we know the uh, function of the system of a athlete, if they perform well, uh, we go through for advanced training, we prepare a advanced training. If he is a beginner and his function of our system not performing well, so we give a basic training to develop the strength and the physical fitness component so that their function of organ doing well, then they come with the advanced training. So student, today's uh, there are some importance we will discuss about the whole what we are teach teach you in this chapter and main physiology and anatomy. So hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, then call me or text me. Thank you.